If you've ever walked out of a mechanic's shop wondering, did I really need all that? This video is for you, because there are car gadgets out there that can literally save you money, save you time, and honestly, save you from getting upsold for no reason. Let's jump into the gear that mechanics definitely don't want you knowing about. You're going to love this one. Imagine adding CarPlay, Android Auto, GPS, and even a 4K dash cam to any old car without changing your stereo. That's exactly what the TECXERLLON 10.26-inch wireless CarPlay screen does. It mounts right on your dashboard, powers on instantly, and suddenly your old ride feels brand new. You get a 4K front cam and a 1080p backup camera, full wireless CarPlay / AA, AirPlay, mirror link, basically everything modern cars have. It's perfect if you're driving a slightly older car and want smart features without paying a mechanic hundreds to install a new head unit. And the best part? You install it yourself in 5 minutes. Mechanics hate gadgets that cut them out of the job. And this is one of them. Now here's something that can actually catch problems before they become expensive. The NEXTBASE IQ 1K Smart HD Dash Cam Pro. This isn't just a dash cam, it's a full-blown AI-powered security system for your car. It monitors motion, alerts you through LTE, has dual cameras, smart parking mode, GPS, emergency SOS, and even road watch AI that analyzes dangerous driving around you. Mechanics obviously don't mention these because if you avoid accidents, you avoid repairs. It's like giving your car its own personal bodyguard. And if you want a more budget-friendly but feature-loaded option, the Carpuride 4 KW903 is a beast. It's a 9.3-inch HD wireless CarPlay / Android Auto display with, get this, a true 4K front dash cam. Great visibility, super bright screen, Bluetooth calling, mirror link, GPS navigation, loop recording. Literally an all-in-one upgrade, perfect for road trips, older cars, or any driver who wants modern tech without spending modern car prices. You'll never look at your old stereo the same again. This next gadget, mechanics definitely don't want you to own it because it eliminates one of the most common reasons people go to the shop. It's the NOCO Boost GB40 jump starter. Instead of calling for help or paying someone to check your battery, you just pull this thing out, clip it on, and your car jumps back to life in seconds. Works on 6.0-liter gas engines and 3.0-liter diesel, has USB charging, an LED flashlight, and is small enough to keep in your glove box. If you've ever been stuck in a parking lot with a dead battery, this gadget feels like a superpower. And finally, the one tool mechanics wish you never bought. The Launch CRP123X Elite O BD 2 scanner. This thing tells you exactly what's wrong with your car before a mechanic even looks at it. You get diagnostics for ABS, engine, transmission, airbag, battery tests, calibration resets, DPF regeneration. Basically the same things a shop does with their expensive scanners. It updates over Wi-Fi, supports modern 2025 plus vehicles, and gives you real codes with real fixes. With this in your hand, guess what? You'll know if you're being upsold or not. It's the ultimate mechanic-proof gadget. If you want to upgrade your car, save money, and avoid unnecessary mechanic visits, all the gadgets in this video are linked down below. Check them out and see the latest prices on Amazon. Hit like, subscribe, and tell me which gadget you'd install in your car first. I read every comment.